What's good, VP Athletes? It's Spence Crosby giving you guys another exclusive video. Today we're going to be doing a 5-minute leg workout routine that you can do anywhere. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for tuning in. It is currently 19 degrees outside. Check this out. What's up with this white stuff? Whole bunch of BS. Anyways, it don't matter. We're gonna get this workout in regardless. So for the workout today, we are gonna be doing jump lunges, tuck jumps, wall sits, side lunges, air squats, glute bridges, and calf raises. Each exercise is going to be 30 seconds with 15 seconds of rest time in between each set. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into the workout. 3 seconds, we're going to jump into jump lunges. Go ahead and shake it out. We got tuck jumps. Make sure you drive your knees up as high as possible. Come down on your toes. All right, let's get it. One more. Those are tough. We got wall sits next. Air squats. Let's get it. Side lunges. Two more left. We got glute bridges. Let's get in position. Make sure you're squeezing when you get to the top position. Last one. Calf raises. That is the end of the workout. I made this workout purposely 5 minutes because you might be a person that doesn't have a lot of time in your day. So doing a 5-minute leg workout routine like this will help you burn that fat. It will help you lose that weight and start toning your lower half the way you want it to be. Now you certainly can extend this workout to 15 minutes by doing 3 sets of each exercise, but it's totally up to you. You guys know what to do. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button followed by the notification bell so that way you are notified for future release videos. I'm about to head in because it's extremely cold out here and I don't want to be in the snow or cold anymore. I'm going to sign off. Peace out, VP crew.